Buddy, to the crypto report. Oh, I gotta get my mic on here. Gotta make sure we got that high quality audio for you guys. Let's get that going. Boom. That's the trick. Welcome back to the crypto report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and the crypto market is crashing. We've got 5 viewers, 2 likes to start, and it might be a hard day to smash the like button because we don't like what's happening in the crypto market, guys. Earlier this morning, I woke up, my portfolio's down big time down. That's why taking profits is so essential. That's why trading can be a beautiful thing, right? Get in, get out, have a trading portfolio, keep some cash available for that. Bitcoin down to $66,000 today. I tweeted out this morning, I said, patience is key. Good morning, Marty. Good afternoon, should I say. Welcome, welcome. Patience is key. Patience is difficult. But at the end of the day, that's all we really have in these markets. Benny Blue Eyes, shout out to you. Tapping the like button, I love it. On a day where it might be tough to tap that like button because I'm sure a lot of you guys have your portfolios down. I'm looking at the charts. I've got my computer right here, kind of just looking at what's going on. Bitcoin at $66,464. Ethereum down 6% today, 6.63% today. A lot of longs getting liquidated today. Down 9.56% on the week. Pretty tough. Pretty tough. That's Ethereum. Down 10%. We've also got Binance coin actually holding up around that $600 level pretty strong, which is actually very shocking. Binance has been incredibly resilient, but still down 7.53% in the last 24 hours. Solana down 10%, down 13% over the last 7 days. You've got XRP absolutely struggling with the 50-cent price level right now at 47 cents. Dogecoin down 8%, down 16% over the week. Strongcoin recently, Toncoin, only down 5%, but still down. Still down, only down 2.5% over the last 7 days. Wow, that token is so strong right now. Guys, I'm going to talk about some of the news, but just kind of focus on some questions from you guys today. And today is going to be a little bit more of a mindset video. We got the CawFam in the chat. I'm impressed with how that token price is holding up. And you know what? Actually, I tweeted out earlier today. Obviously, we talk a lot about CRO and Cronos coin on this channel. I've got it on the thumbnail for you as well. Cronos coin is now at rank number 40. It is now out of the top 30. Now at rank number 40 at 9.7 cents. Under 10 cents. A Crow coin below 10 cents is a gift. Okay, I'm going to get back to my desk later today. Well, actually, tomorrow I'll have videos from my desk where I can go through some of the technicals on some of this stuff. But I did not expect, personally, Crow coin to come back below 10 cents. The reason it is there right now, though, makes sense to me because I was looking at the charts, and what I was looking at is the valuation of CRO versus Bitcoin, and you got to look at all your favorite altcoins versus Bitcoin. And what we're looking at is right now we have CRO token testing its all-time lows. Its all-time lows versus Bitcoin, okay? And that's a very important valuation because if that then bottoms, which I do think that it should bottom at its low, we can get a rebound of 1,100% on its valuation versus Bitcoin. And so again, CRO is at a discount right now, as are a lot of tokens. Arbitrum down 16% over the last 7 days. I'm going to look and filter now on CoinMarketCap to some of the biggest gainers today. Monero, Injective, Tron. The biggest gainer, Monero's up, actually over the last 7 days, 10%. Let's see if anything's green today. Nothing is green today in the top 100. You've got 0.7% gains for Unas Sed Leo, which I don't really even know anything about that. And Gnosis, which I've heard of, is only up 0.64%. So nothing is going up today. In fact, everything is coming down. If I look at the S&P 500, I'd like to see, what's going on with that right now, because I think the overall market, I was listening to Jim Cramer on CNBC this morning, and he was even saying, I don't like to look at this market right now. And guys, right now, let's see here, S&P 500 down 0.14%. So the regular market's just kind of here. Now, why is this crash happening today? Let's talk a little bit about this. Tomorrow, okay, guys, tomorrow is the FOMC meeting. That's right. The Fed is going to speak tomorrow. So what is going on right now? There is a lot of anticipation for the Fed speaking. And also, breaking news. Breaking news. I have a dog. This is my parents' Chihuahua. I'm hanging out at my parents' house today. Work from home day. You can see how terrible it is. Marcus Zbot says this is a crash. It could be a crash. You could consider this a crash. I feel like Dr. Evil petting my little cat. Except this is a dog, believe it or not. The FOMC meeting is tomorrow, guys. And this is going to be a very volatile 24 hours. And so what I think is going on right now is we are seeing the volatility leading up to this FOMC meeting tomorrow. How much you're selling your dog? I'm not selling my dog. But speaking of dog token, I'm very bullish on the Rune dog token. Yeah, cutest and best breaking news ever. I agree, Dina. I agree. Dog with Kip. Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh. But we've got volatility around this FOMC. So no surprise there. In fact, I just remembered this. But tomorrow's the FOMC meeting. I'd like to live stream that for you guys. So I'm going to try to live stream that for you guys tomorrow. But I think this is what we see going on because the Fed is in a tough situation. Right now, you've got the European Central Bank that just pivoted and lowered their interest rates. And you've got Canada who lowered their interest rates. And then you have the U.S. who's still dealing with inflation. Benny Blue Eye is asking, Kip, you DCA into anything today? Not really. No, not today. I've actually don't really have a lot of cash on the sidelines. I paid off some cars recently and no regrets there. That's a beautiful thing, beautiful burden to have off my shoulders. And the income's still coming in. So when I get paid at the end of the month, I'll continue to DCA. I've already kind of reallocated all my profits that I've taken from some of those memes. And so, yeah, I mean, if you're wondering where my portfolio is at today, my portfolio is a little bit more red. Now, from the bear market, it's still way up, but it's red from the last, 2 or 3 months where I've had, a lot of beautiful gains. And, good or bad, right, I'm still hanging on to a lot of these memes, especially on Cronos, holding onto my Welsh, holding onto my dog tokens. And again, everybody has their own strategies. Everybody's got their own tokens, and to each their own, right? Everybody's going to have a different strategy in these bull markets, and I recommend that you each have your own. Sushi Satoshi joined the Mary community today. Congratulations, brother. I hope the coin turns around for us. I'm actually pretty surprised with how strong it's holding up versus my Crow position right now, which is very, very interesting. But yeah, guys, this volatility is not that surprising to me. Now, yesterday we were talking about a $12 billion short squeeze, right? And I think that is on the table here because the shorts are there, right? Now, maybe those shorts knew something that we didn't know, or maybe these shorts were just in place anticipating a rejection off the top of this range, a rejection off the highs, and a retest of the bottom of this range. Bitcoin's been in an interesting range of about $70,000 down to about $59,000. And so in this range, this presents us with a good opportunity for trading, okay? Black Sea's been trading a lot more. I'm kind of preparing myself. I'm going to start trading a little bit more as well. We actually do have a new exchange referral link for you guys. If you want to check it out, you can get the first 200 people that sign up, okay? Check out the link down below for an exchange called Blowfin. They're an up-and-coming exchange. The first 200 people that sign up get free $30. And so we talked about FMX a lot, and you get a $4,100 sign-up bonus when you deposit money. That's a deposit bonus. This is different for this Blowfin exchange. All you need to do is just sign up, and you get a free $30. And I think they've got leverage trading on there. They've got futures. They've got obviously regular trading. They've got a lot of coins on there. So check it out for a free $30 to DC into this dip. And what a good day to have an extra $30 to DC into the market. But this is a good time in the market, really, to be trading. We've got a lot of volatility. Now, in the next 24 hours, it's a little bit risky because Marty, link didn't work. I wonder why. Did the link not work? Let me know. Let me know, because I want to get some feedback on that. We just launched this link last night on the channel, so check it out. And if you're having issues, just DM me or something. We'll figure it out, Marty. But this is, though, in general, with this range of Bitcoin, it's a good time to trade. This is a scary time to trade because with the FOMC, we've got this increased volatility and a lot of long liquidations today. Actually, let's take a peek right now. I'm going to take a peek here, go over to CoinGlass, and see what the information is showing me in this data. If you guys have any questions, Marty says he did not get the $30. Oh, no, Marty, you will get the $30. Give it 1 to 2 days to get the $30. So that's how it is. But thanks for the call out, Marty. You just reminded me. So it's the first 200 people that sign up, and then in 1 to 2 days, you're gonna get $30. And let me know when you get it, Marty, just to make sure that they're standing by their commitment to us. This is a special sign up bonus that they had for our channel. You know, just looking at new exchanges and just giving you opportunities for you guys to earn some extra little money. And, you know, always good to have more places to trade. So, Marty, keep me posted. I appreciate that. One of our moderators, Marty, just tried it out. You guys should check it out in the link down below. But free $30 to the first 200 folks. So let's look at some of the liquidations today and see what's going on. And, guys, I got some hat hair today, so I'm wearing a hat. Benny Blue Eyes just got it. That's 2 out of 200 signed up. Good man. Links down below, Russian Mob. Check it out. Dina Marie already did it. All right. My family dog, Chica. Super happy for you, Dana Marie. Did I have your kisses? No? No kisses. No kisses. She's not even a dog. She's like a stuffed animal. But let's look at some of the liquidations and see what's going on right now, guys. By the way, leave a comment. Smash a like if you're just joining us. Subscribe to the channel. Guys, we just hit 19,000 subscribers on the channel. We've been doing crypto content for the last 2 years because we knew this bull market was coming. We are in a bull market right now. Milkshake Memory, great comment. This is normal. Don't get scared. We are barely into the bull. Please, phase 4 is loading. I agree with you completely, my friend. What an excellent comment. I am waiting for that parabolic rally on Bitcoin, the one we've been talking about. Now, unfortunately, I've been expecting Bitcoin to have that parabolic rally before we had consolidated. Okay, so we are looking at the previous high for Bitcoin. Once it broke through the previous high, good day to you, BSS. We've been tracking how long it's taken since we're waiting for the breakout. So we've already wicked past the previous high, and it's already been about 100 days since we've wicked past the previous high. And we have not broken out into new highs yet. And this is shocking because you look at the amount of money that is getting put into Bitcoin right now by these institutions versus the amount of Bitcoin being mined. I agree with you. Phase 4 of this bull market's coming up. But the reason we're crashing today is twofold. One, volatility on the FOMC meeting today, no doubt about that. And two, oh boy. In the last 24 hours, $218 million worth of longs were liquidated. Had a bunch of noise going on. $218 million worth of longs were liquidated. Only $19 million worth of shorts. Those $12 billion worth of shorts that we've been talking about, waiting for that short squeeze, guys, that has not happened yet. I'm going to shut this door. I've got a door open over here. And I still think that it's coming. So I still think that we've got the short squeeze coming. My parents got a good setup. Here, working from my parents' home today, got a good setup. And this is, you know what? They earned it with the regular day job, but we want to earn some of these things in life with crypto, okay? My dad did good. But we're trying to do it on our own, right? We're trying to achieve a beautiful home. We're trying to achieve generational wealth. We're trying to achieve all these things. And we can do that in crypto, my friends, whether you're a trader, whether you're a DCA and a hodler like we talk about all the time on this channel. There are a lot of opportunities to make some money in crypto. Maybe you're doing it on meme tokens. Maybe you're not. There's so many opportunities. And the fact that there's $12 billion worth of shorts right now that are set to get squeezed is shocking to me. It is shocking to me that $12 billion worth of anti-crypto people are betting against it. And I just can't wait for the moment that those short traders get wrecked. And I hope that you're not one of those short traders. I don't want you to get wrecked. I don't want anybody that I know to get wrecked. I don't want anybody to get wrecked ever. But if you're betting against this bull market, you're going to get got at some point. You're going to get got at some point. Milkshake Memory says lowest volatility is 11 years for Bitcoin. Literally set to explode. It dipped 5 times after. This is mind melting. I missed the rest of it. Milkshake Memory is so excited. I'm excited too. But this is where it's so difficult. It is so difficult. Now, there are 66 people watching this right now. 22 likes. If you agree that crypto is difficult, smash the like button. If you agree that it takes an insane, incredible amount of patience to participate in these markets, smash the like button. And if you have the patience and you believe in your hard work and you believe in your research, smash the like button. Because if I were you, I'd be crushing the like button, agreeing with all those things right now. Crypto's not easy. It is extremely, extremely difficult to be patient. But the people that do it get rewarded. The people that have been just buying Bitcoin $200 a week, $100 a week, $200 a month, $2,000 a month into Bitcoin over the last decade, those people are sitting pretty right now laughing. They don't even care about this. And Bitcoin is by far and large the safest play in crypto, right? Maybe you don't have the most amount of upside, but you certainly do have upside, right? Bitcoin is just getting adopted by the institutions. We just have presidential candidates talking about it. Also, upcoming. Very interested to see how this plays out. If you guys have any thoughts on it, throw it in the comments down below. What do you think about the upcoming presidential election? What do you guys think? Are they going to be talking about cryptocurrency? I want to know what your thoughts are, because I believe that we are going to hear about cryptocurrency for the first time in a presidential debate history. I think it's going to be crazy. I think it's going to be awesome. Luke says it's not easy at all. Keeping a clear head is a must. It is so hard to keep a clear head. But you know, Luke, this morning I got up at 5 a.m. and I went out with one of my best friends, and oh, Penny, unbelievable, you're hilarious, man. I got up with one of my best friends, and I played 9 holes of golf this morning. I got back at my desk, made 20 cold calls this morning for work, keeping a clear head. Saw the charts were crashing this morning. Just went home at the grind anyway, right? Touched grass, literally touched some grass, swung some clubs through some grass this morning, got up early, still got a full day of work in, got my live stream going. What am I doing? I'm just DCing, I'm holding. Blaza Music says, Sol ETF, rumor on X. Thoughts? I think it's coming, Blaza. Appreciate that $2 super chat. Thank you so much, Blaza. Appreciate your support throughout the years. Really, you've been around for over a year now, and I've seen you on the channel. Appreciate you. But yeah, I think a Solana ETF's coming. You know, we saw somebody like JP Morgan recently come out and say that they don't think, hey, John 316, how you doing, brother? Blessings to you. We saw JP Morgan come out recently and say that, oh, a Sol ETF's not going to happen. Oh, you want to stay down, Chica? Oh, she's like, I want a nap. Don't touch me. I'll let you be, Chica. Her name's Chica, by the way, because she's a girl dog. But yeah, I think that the Sol ETF could be coming. When? I don't know. It could come in 2024 maybe, but I'd expect it more in 2025. And okay, let's talk about this. So we're crashing today. Am I worried? No. Am I worried? Where's the low that we could see? We could see Bitcoin go as low as $59,000. Now, I don't love saying that. I don't love seeing that. But if you look at the bottom of the range, that is something that we could see. And now I'm going to take a peek here real quick. Let me look at this liquidation heat map for you guys. And again, I can't share my screen today. I'm remote. Actually, my car's in the shop. That's unfortunate. But yeah, there was a couple $1 million getting liquidated there at about 67 and change. Still more liquidations that might want to get hunted at about 65,000. Let me zoom out a little bit on this liquidation heat map. Give me 1 second. Welcome to the Crypto Report, everybody. By the way, if you missed it, we got free $30 when you sign up for an up-and-coming exchange, Blowfin. The first 200 people that sign up get $30 free. You don't have to deposit anything. You don't have to do anything. All you got to do is sign up, and $30. It's a pretty cool bonus. FEMAX, we have a deposit bonus as well, but it's a deposit bonus. You got to deposit money. You can get up to $4,100. That's a great exchange, but Blowfin really coming out with a cool bonus there, just a free $30 for anybody that wants to check it out. If you want to be the maniac to trade this volatility, or you could just buy a whole cryptos on that exchange too. They've got a lot of spot coins available for you. But yeah, guys, looking at this, there's still, a couple $1 billion here that really came up in the last 24 hours for longs to potentially be liquidated. And I'm actually not really seeing too many liquidations, maybe about $2 billion in total at around 60,000. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty decent. We could see a dip down to 60,000, and that will be right down to the bottom of our range. Don't be surprised if we do dip down to 60,000 to see like a wick to like 58.9, 58.5, 59.5 is really the range that I'm looking at. Now when Black Sea Blowfin tutorial coming up very soon. He's going to be doing one very soon for you guys. So stay posted on that if you want to learn how to use Blowfin. The new exchange that we're talking about. We got that free $30 to sign up. First 200 people, they're going to do more promotions, and I don't want to give too much away. Shout out to Caw, by the way, but see you in the chat. This Caw price is a blessing. Yeah, I mean, there are discounts in a lot of your favorite coins right now. So some people get all bent out of shape on a crash like this. I look at it as a good thing for anybody that's been talking about how they want to buy more. Well, this is the opportunity. You buy into the dips, you buy the fear, and then you take profit when others are being greedy. But we might have some ideas with Blowfin to have some exciting things coming for more sign-up bonuses. I don't want to give too much away, but we'll see. So we're in negotiations with them right now. But that free $30 is pretty cool. But there's no doubt, guys, Bitcoin bouncing between 59,000 and 70,000. It's a trader's range, right? This is a trader's range. Now, let's go over to this. A lot of people for a while in these markets were saying that we were way ahead of schedule. Crypto market is way ahead of schedule. This is not healthy. Where do those people go? Are we ahead of schedule still? We're not ahead of schedule. We're right on track. We're right on track right now. If you go and you look at the stock to flow model, if you go and you look at the Bitcoin rainbow chart, if you go and you look at just the trend for Bitcoin, we're right on track, my friends. We're absolutely right on track. And on a day like today, am I nervous? No. Am I disappointed to see my number go down? Absolutely. I'm a human. I don't like seeing my number go down. And my number's down. Very much so. Especially because I have a lot of high-risk, low-utility coins, meme coins. And that's the risk with meme coins. So you shouldn't be dabbling with meme coins unless you have the stomach for it. Blazing Music asks, are you buying Jasmine today on the discount? I'd like to, though I can't, because I'm out of dry powder, my friend. But I will be buying some Jasmine soon, I think. I think I will be buying some Jasmine soon. We've been talking a little bit more about Jasmine. I see the strength of the community behind Jasmine, and I see some of the partnerships. I like what the price action is hinting to me. We'll see how it plays out. By the way, we got 68 viewers right now, 35 likes. Do me a favor if you're just joining, smash the like button. WCBJJ77, the news, good afternoon. Bought some BTC on the dip today. That's what I'm talking about. These are beautiful dips to buy right now. And guys, don't forget, now there is probably over $12 billion worth of short. Actually, I think some of the shorts might have closed out. But still about $9 or $10 billion worth of shorts ready to be liquidated between 72 and 75,000. I'm just waiting for that. Today the longs got liquidated, but it's just one other day, and all of a sudden the shorts can get liquidated. Got some Jasmine holders in the chat. I see you. If there's any news, by the way, coming out with any of these things at any time, feel free to let me know. I don't catch everything, guys. This channel, me and my partner Black Sea, we're coming out with content every single day. Benny Blue Eyes says, Kip, I saw something on X where somebody talked about the FOMC meetings. I missed that chat. Let's see. BTC dipped 10% every time. Noted. You know what? That's interesting, Benny. That's interesting. I didn't know I could scroll through some of these chats. How do I feel about Quant? Quant, not a lot of price action on that. Han asked him to buy more Ka. Not really right now. Got a lot of memes. If I get a pump on some Mary or my mouse and the pasta bags, which aren't doing too well right now, I'd take some profit. I'd probably buy some more Ka, but I surrendered my call position a while ago. It had a great amount of profit. Took some profit on the way up. Didn't sell it all at once. Shuffled some profits on the way up, back on the way down until I scaled completely out of the position. Bought some other memes. Made a little bit of money. Got hurt on some of those memes. Still pretty down on a lot of those memes that I actually bought. I'd be probably a little bit down on Ka. Definitely down on Ka because I sold close to the top on call and on the way up and kind of on the way down. But that's the name of the game, guys. We need to just take profits along the way. Scossum's got some Jasmine. Victor asking me about Pendle. Let's check out Pendle real quick. Let me just take a little peek at Pendle, see what's going on there. If you're just joining us, smash the like, guys. Welcome to the Crypto Report. Today's a little more casual stream. I'm just trying to keep everybody calm on a day where there's blood in the streets. You know, there's panic out there. Pendle down 10% on the day. Pretty tough, but not really anything unique. Everything's down today. These are the times where if you're buying these double-digit losers today, all of a sudden when these things recover, boom, an easy 20%, 30, 40% gain, right? Looking at Pendle, it's on Binance. That's pretty cool. What is Pendle? Let's check it out. Pendle is tokenization and trading of future yield. Pendle gives users more control over future yield, optionality, and opportunities for utilization. Is this an ERC20? I wonder what this is. This is an ERC20 token. Checking it out. Looks like they're on Ethereum, they're Arbitrum, they're BNB chain, they're Optimism, so they're cross-chain. That's cool. $20 billion in total trading volume, apparently. That's pretty significant. Total value locked, $6 billion locked. That's pretty decent, right? So these are some of the things you look at. And guys, there's so many good coins in this bull market. I mean, I keep saying it all the time, you know. In a crypto bull market, you can literally put the top 100, top 200 tokens on a dartboard, throw those darts, take the 5 coins the darts land on, and buy them, and you could probably make some good money, but that is not what we like to do. We like to have a strategy. Let's talk a little bit about Crowcoin. I'm going to do a video on this later today, but price action's been disappointing. Let's just call it what it is, right? The thing about Crow is it seems like these bull market explosions for Cronos come at the end of the cycle. So lately I made a lot of money on the memes, took some profit, that was good. Still way up on those in comparison to where my money would be if I had stayed in Crow. Though these are native meme tokens to the Cronos chain. I believe in the Cronos chain. And if you're holding the Crowcoin token right now, these are tough times. But I believe in that dollar still. I believe in that $2 to $5 price action as well. Unfortunately, it may not come until towards the end of the bull market. The good news is right now Crow's valuation versus Bitcoin is at the low, so I expect a rebound soon, hopefully. But we'll have to keep an eye on it play out, how it plays out. What I may do is I may actually shuffle my Crow bags around. I might sell some more of my Crow, and I might play around with some other tokens that are going to move in the meantime in an effort to accumulate my Crow back and more Crow. And these are some games that you can play. You can swing trade, you can day trade, you can leverage trade. We've got links to sign up if you guys want a platform to do that on. Blowfin is a great place to do it. Free $30 when you sign up down below. First 200 people that sign up get $30. FEMX is a great place for leverage trading. $4,100 sign up bonus when you deposit money to that one. But I'm thinking about doing more trading here, guys, and keep an eye out for it because I'm going to keep you guys posted. The truth is these strategies of crypto can change. If you are just a diehard YOLO one coin guy or gal out there, that's dangerous. We need to be able to pivot. We need to be able to swivel. Now, I'm not giving up on Crow, but what I am telling you guys is I'm trying to earn money on my money. And if there's a coin that I have a reason to believe is just going to take a little bit longer to do it, and I know there's some other projects that are going to pump in the meantime, I might go to try to earn my keep here and then take profit back to there, right? And that's the same thing as, you know, buying, let's say you're talking about the Stacks ecosystem. Maybe you're bullish on Stacks. So maybe you're buying some of the tokens within the Stacks ecosystem because you think they're going to outperform Stacks, and maybe you want to take profit back into the Stacks token, which is going to perform well, but maybe some of the lower cap gems, the utility tokens, or some of the memes in that ecosystem are going to do well. Maybe the memes aren't for you, though. And, you know, the memes are tough. Memes are very tough. Unfortunately, this seems like some kind of meme coin bull run, and that's really what it's been lately. So I'm just trying to stay with the times, keep my head on a swivel, and do what's right for my portfolio. And I hope that you guys are doing the same as well. You know, Hard to make. Oh, there you go. Blazing Music says TBH CDC is playing with fire. They're distancing themselves from the DeFi wallet. It seems like they don't promote their business as much as BNB does. Thanks for the $5 super chat. Blaza, yeah, and I know Black C's been talking about that more, and it's true, right? We are seeing them not really. Crypto.com is distancing themselves from their chain, which is very bizarre to me. I'd like to see them promote their own chain a little bit more. That Cronos versus Crypto.com deal, that'd be good. I'm going to go ahead and kick my feet up here. And oh, yeah, there you go. That's a little bit better. All right, so we've got the dog right there hanging out. We got some super chats. I appreciate all the super chats, guys. Benny Blue Eye says 10 super chats. Who did send 10 super chats? We've got 2 or 3 super chats here. Luke, gotta spend. I don't know how to say your name. Says he's very bullish on stacks. Me too. I am very bullish on stacks. I think it's going to be a beautiful, beautiful performing token for us. Sean Armstrong just joining us from the UK. Welcome, Sean. Good to see you. But Blaza, yeah, I mean, CDC is no doubt a main player here in the crypto space, but we got to see exactly how, what their next move is. See how oh, Blaza sent their 10th super chat. Blaza has been a legend. He has been super chatting left and right, as has Scossum, another legend. Benny Blue Eyes, you're always here, brother. I love you, man. You're a member on the channel. We got members, by the way. If you guys want to support the channel a little more, if you appreciate the 5 videos a day that we've been doing, guys, then do me a favor. First of all, smash the like button. And if you want to join this loyal community, like Benny Blue Eyes has done, like some of the others, Sushi Satoshi, who is DCAing today, I love it. You can become a member on our channel down below. Yeah, almost 2 years, Benny. I remember when we first interacted with you. At first, I was like, whoa, this guy's got some personality. Who is this guy? And then, I just fell in love with Benny Blue Eyes. I love this Benny Blue Eyes guy. It's so interesting, just getting to know you guys more and more. Sushi Satoshi, another legend, another member on the channel. Really getting to know the members in this community, interacting on X. I take your DMs, we'll talk a little bit in that private Discord. But, don't be shy. DM me. I'll talk to you on Twitter. I'll never really DM you guys, and if I do DM you, I'm never going to ask you for anything, so just be careful, because I officially have impersonators now, where the channel's growing. We've got people impersonating us on Twitter, me and Black Sea. I know Oscar Ramos has had some hacks recently, so I'm nervous for some of that, so please be careful, guys. Do your due diligence, and just know we're never going to have any asks of you guys. We've got opportunities for you guys to become a member on the channel and all those things, but I'm not asking you to do it. I'm just telling you that it's there if you want to do it, but we're never going to reach out to you. Just be careful, because there's people doing impersonations, and I don't want you guys to get scammed. See some the thing grind. I don't know how to say your name. How do you miss the stream? You're here. You didn't miss it, brother. Welcome to another member. Benny Blue Eyes just put, by the way, my Twitter for you guys to follow the crypto report. I'm not streaming on X today. The only reason being is, again, because I'm remote, so I couldn't use my normal streaming platform, or if I could, I didn't figure it out on my mobile phone. I just decided to stream. But today, guys, is more of just a, hey, how you doing? Stay calm. Carry on. DCA. Everybody's down. If you're wondering how my portfolio is doing, it stinks. It's painful today. But I'm not depressed. I'm a happy guy. I'm content. I'm grateful. I practice 3 things in my life: positivity, communication, and gratitude. So I'm communicating to you guys that I'm grateful for the opportunity in crypto. I'm grateful for the audience. And I'm trying to stay positive here. Because if you look at all the different things, the stories, the breadcrumbs kind of leading up to this bull market, where we're at, where we're going, you will see there's a lot more bull market left. There's a lot more coming. She's a chill dog. I like this dog. There's one more here. He's tiny. Just for comparison, guys, I'm wearing flip-flops right now. Forgive me. They're kind of dirty. But that's literally how big she is. She's the tiniest dog in the world. Tiniest dog in the world. Chica. I love her. She got a little broken leg recently. That was really sad. Had a 6'5" man break her leg. Walked atop her and broke her leg. She's back. She's better. Anyway, guys, I just got on a puppy tangent, but positivity, communication, and gratitude, guys. Good day to touch some grass. Exactly, WCB. JJ77. I'm going to do some more cold calls. Sushi Satoshi said, filing the crypto report has helped me 2x my portfolio. I love to hear that. But for the record, nothing we do here is financial advice, my friends. This is a mindset, okay? We're talking about mindsets here. We do talk about tokens. We talk about potential. Can this 10x? Can this 2x? Can this 100x? I'll tell you guys some of those things, but I'll always follow it up with it's not financial advice, because the best thing you can do for yourself in crypto is to do your own research, trust yourself, but don't be overly loyal to your initial opinion. And, you know, that goes with politics, that goes with lifestyle, that goes with investing. If you're just set on your way and you're not ready to grow as an individual, to grow your mind, grow your knowledge base, you're going to have a tough life. You're going to have a tough time investing. You're going to have a tough run of things. You're going to have a tough time developing relationships. Having a wife, that's a new experience for me. Love my wife. Shout out to Mrs. Crypto Kip. Got a baby on the way. Getting ready to be a dad. Gonna have to grow with that. And the reason I do it all, guys, the reason, you know, I'm in crypto, the reason I'm such an avid investor is because it's bigger than just me, okay? It's bigger than money, 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 money. It's building a life for my family. And I was even thinking about this when I was single before I met my wife, right? The whole end goal for me was always to be able to buy a house, raise a family, have a stable income for a family, produce more wealth with my income so that I could get my kid into college if they wanted to go to college. Develop this channel to talk about something that I'm passionate about. And yeah, hopefully make a little bit of money along the way with the revenue from YouTube. We get some good, decent ad revenue from the channel. I'm sure you guys know that, right? The commercials pop up. I'm sorry about it, but, you know, we put a lot of work into this. We've got some partnerships. We will always disclose our partnerships. If we ever do sponsored content, you guys will know. There will be a little thing in the top corner of my videos that'll say, this is a sponsored deal. And we don't just take anything that gets thrown at us. Luke says, things change, was in an NFT collection, gone banned, was able to get half my money out after a few months, 4K back, hit a coin to 458K. So was it a loss? Being involved is key. Yes, you're able to pivot. Exactly, Luke, exactly. You got to be able to pivot. Scossum says, I invested with a long-term plan. These days happen. Some days we eat filet mignon, other days we eat a TV dinner. And you know, Scossum, that brings up a great point. When you're in the money, don't spend like you're in the money, right? That's not investment advice. That's just personal advice. That's just friend-to-friend advice. I consider you guys my friends. My audience is my friends. I'd love to be friends with all you, but we're all the way across the world, whatever. But, you know, there's a saying that I heard once, and I'm going to botch it, but essentially, if you, let's say you make a $200,000 salary a year, okay? But you live like you make a $200,000 salary a year, you're not going to accumulate wealth. And your life is going to be difficult because you've got that payment for that boat. You've got that payment for that huge mortgage. You've got that payment for that car that you really didn't need, or that watch that you really didn't need, or that jewelry that you didn't need, or that your wife wanted that she didn't need. If you make $200,000 a year and you live like you make $200,000 a year, it's going to be hard to grow your wealth. However, if you make $60,000 or $80,000 a year, which is decently standard, I think, right? Right. if you make $60,000 or $70,000 a year and you live like you make $60,000 or $70,000 a year, or better yet, you live like you make $40,000 or $50,000 a year, you can grow your wealth more than that person that makes $200,000 a year. Okay? I'm not talking about numbers and what I do or do not make or whatever, but there's people on both sides of the spectrum that watch this channel. There's some people that make more, there's some people that make less. And my point to you guys is, when we're in the money, don't live and don't spend like you're in the money, because that's a good way to just get rid of the profits, right? Marty says, I agree, but you're not touching my Rolex, Kip. That's an investment itself. That one, you could argue. That is an investment. Touche, touche. You guys have seen that watch. I wear a watch a lot on the channel. I'm not wearing it today. It's a fossil watch. You might say, well, that's a nice watch. Usually I'm wearing my gold chain as well, which was actually, it's a family heirloom, actually. My watch was a gift. I didn't buy that watch. I don't really do that. I don't really buy things frivolously, though I did buy an automatic golf cart walker bag recently that I love. You know, and Frank Villalobos says, sometimes you just need to sit back and adjust the way you live. Instead, make some sacrifices and even better life later down the road. Yeah, I've seen this great animation of, there's a guy walking up a hill, right? So walking up a hill, super tough, early in life. Walking up a hill, super tough. Oh, it's so hard to walk up this hill early on. But then when you get to the top of that hill, now you just get to easily walk down the hill later in life. So, you know, save a little bit of money, spend a little less. Harder time walking up the hill, right? Oh, it's hard. Oh, I'm living on rice and beans and chicken and beans and rice and cans of tuna and cans of whatever. Or you could do it the other way, and you could go downhill and just spend your money, live a good life, have a good time. And then when you get to 50 or 60 years old, where'd all my money go? I got no savings. I didn't invest. Now your life gets really difficult. We want to be these people. We want to go up the hill now, and we want to come down the hill later. That's the goal. That's my goal. If you agree, let me know in the comments down below. Guys, we've been live for 42 minutes. This is a very chill live stream today. Today's a mindset day. Crypto market's crashing. Kip, that guy on the hill could have rode the auto golf cart bag up the hill. You're right. You're right. You're right. That auto golf cart bag is ridiculous. I splurged. That's the only splurge I had this year. And it was a big splurge. But I make good money on the memes. Marty says there was a study on how stimulus checks messed people up because they got used to living outside their means. That makes sense to me. Find it and post in the Discord. Thanks, Marty. I appreciate it. Amen, BSS. Amen, guys. 59 viewers, 47 likes, $8.98 in Super Chat. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate you, Scossum. Thank you, Blaze of Music. Appreciate all your support. If you guys want to give extra support to the channel, you can become a member. You don't have to, but you get access to our private Discord. When you do, we got free $30 when you sign up for Blowfin, a up-and-coming exchange. Check that out in the link down below. The first 200 people that sign up. But my phone's going to die, so I got to end the stream. I'll see you next time, guys. Yes, the crypto market's crashing today, but just take a nap. Stretch it out. Touch some grass. Pet your dog. Stay positive. Stay humble, guys. Love you. DCA. HODL. Do your own research. Sushi Satoshi. Love you, brother. Appreciate ya. Hashtag $ Chica. Man, she would be a cute meme, huh? All right, guys, that's all I got. I'll see you in the next one. Peace, y'all. DCA HODL. You know the rest. More videos later today. Peace, guys.